Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming hardware compatibility. Check that your Android phone supports OTG via USB-C or micro USB. Plug the Ethernet adapter into the phone and then into the cable. Use a powered USB hub when adapters require external power so the link stays stable. Once connected, turn off Wi-Fi to force the phone to prefer the wired link and reveal any IP or DHCP issues immediately. This step gets you into the active connection phase fast, so you can diagnose address and link lights right away. Now you configure Android's network settings so the wired link works reliably. Open Settings, then Network and Internet, and look for an Ethernet section to view the assigned IP and link status. If DHCP doesn't give an address, set a static IP with the correct gateway and DNS. Make sure the subnet mask and IP range match your LAN. While doing this, verify cable quality and adapter link speed because mismatched duplex or damaged cable can cause drops. Adjust settings and retest until traffic flows consistent. Finish by validating connectivity. Open a browser and run a ping or network tester app to confirm packets traverse the wire. If you see link lights but no internet, reboot the phone, adapter, and router in sequence. This often clears DHCP and ARP issues. If problems persist, try a different cable, use a powered adapter, or switch to a static IP with correct gateway and DNS. One quick troubleshooting tip: if speeds are low, check for USB negotiation limits and switch to a higher rated adapter or port.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.